I bought and tested two different sets of storage boxes for shoes, and I'm going to tell you what I like and what I don't like about each. If are they hard to put together? And basically tell you everything you want to know about these. I've been using these for about 2 weeks now. I'm going to show you what type of shoes to go in here. Do a big pair of shoes like this. These Uggs over here fit in there. Does a men's size 13 fit in here, even though the listing only says a size 12 fits? I'm going to run you through all of that right now. So these right over here are going to be the Caktraie, Catraie, and these over here are going to be the Pinkpum. So let's go over these first, right over here. So these right over here, um, really like these a lot. They are stackable. They come with little holes. You see the holes right over here. They come with little pegs, and you could stack these on top. I just took these two down for this version of this video right over here. These are really easy to install, pretty self-explanatory. So let's just see this right over here. Very easy open. This is magnetic as well. These are a size 13, just so you can kind of see right over here. That is a 13. So when you get these in the box right over here, you'll see this one right over here. They do get in the box right over here. They are right on the cusp, but the door does shut on these on a pair 13. It will probably depend on the size or the shoe type as well. You'll see here too, there is room on the top a little bit. I could definitely get my hand in there. So you might not want to go too higher. This has a kind of little decorative outside, this like little white. This is kind of what it also looks like from the top, so you can kind of see a better idea of design. So you got like a kind of little swirl going on over here. Then on the side, you have the same thing. And these are kind of your holes right over here, which are really, really nice. And I like the fact that they are stackable. They do have another color as well. So let's take a look at the next set right over here, and then we'll kind of get into the comparisons of them. So these are the ones right here. These kind of have a little bit less design. These also have the magnetic right over here. So that does open up just like that. So we'll see here, these are the size 13 right over here. So if we put these in just like that, they go in, you'll see just fit in right over there. You got to give it a little push, but the door does shut on these. For a big pair of shoes like this or boots or something like that, that's a little bit more bigger. So these are a size 13 as well. They will fit in here for sure. So you just got to place them a little bit differently in here. You'll see here it's kind of on the cusp if you go straight in. So you're going to want to just turn that around a little bit. One might be up, one might be down, but they still do get in here and you can kind of see exactly what you have. And that's kind of one of my favorite parts about these. You can see exactly what you have, what shoes you have. These are also stackable. They come with the little pigs and you can just stack these up. You're going to get 12 of these and you're going to get 10 of these in the package. Obviously, you could get more if you want more. The doors do stay shut. So kind of let's get into the pros and cons. All right, so for both of these, they could both hold the men's size 13. Even the big kind of slippers, they do have to kind of be like a little bit arranged. So that's together. They both have the magnetic top right over here, and they both open pretty easily. The thing I like about these two is you're not going to get any dust or anything like that. You might get some on the top, but nothing's going to really get in these holes right over here. So some differences, I would say this one right over here, a little bit more design on this one. You'll see the door right over here. You got a nice little white border over here. I would say the magnetic strip is maybe a little stronger on this one right over here, just based on the fact I have to pull a little bit to get it open, which is nice. And then you have this design over here on the side, a little bit on the back over here, and then on the side, and then of course on the top. So that one has a little bit more, I don't know, look to it. This one over here, you'll see clear all the way through. Little design, but you could really see in. So I will say that if that's kind of a big thing for you, you kind of want to just be able to see everything. This might be a better bet for you, just because it doesn't have like kind of this decorative design over here. I could see obviously this one would be definitely better. I almost think for like purses. You can obviously use them for shoes, but this does have, it's a little bigger, so you could put purses in here. But again, both of these could work for that. So if you're looking for something a little bit more decorative in nature and has a little bit of a stronger magnet over here to keep these together, this would be the one for you. If you're looking for something that's simple, kind of clear, no design whatsoever, these would be the ones for you. I hope you found this helpful and you get the right shoe storages for you. Can't go wrong with either one of these. I love both of these. I have a set in my room. My girlfriend has a set in her room, and we also use it as storage as well.